In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach text to a moving surface in DaVinci Resolve Fusion with the Planar tracker. Start by adding your clip to the timeline, then head over to the Fusion page. In the node editor, you'll see a simple media into media out chain. Think of this as your clip flowing from input to output with nothing applied yet. We're going to insert a Planar tracker so Fusion can understand how a surface in your shot is moving. Press Shift plus space to open the Select Tool window, search for Planar tracker, and add it. Place it between media in and media out, so the flow becomes media in into Planar tracker and Planar tracker into media out. With the tracker selected, look at the viewer and draw a shape around the exact object or flat surface you want to track. Aim for a clean, well-defined area with texture or contrast. Edges, logos, and patterns work great. Keep the shape focused on a single plane and avoid including moving foreground elements that don't belong to that surface. In the inspector, set mode to track. Now choose the motion type that matches your shot. Translation rotation scale is ideal for movement that involves position, turning, and size changes without heavy perspective shift. If your surface tilts or skews significantly, choose perspective for the most accurate result. Click track forward and let Resolve analyze the motion. You'll see track indicators following the surface frame by frame. A precise shape and the right motion setting help the tracker stay locked without drifting. Once the track is complete, change mode to corner pin if you want to attach graphics so they naturally stick to that surface. If your goal is to lock the frame and reduce movement, switch to stabilize instead. Corner pin tells the tracker to pass its motion to whatever you attach, matching perspective and deformation when needed. Now add a text plus node and connect it to the Planar tracker's output. This routes the tracked motion into your text. In the text plus controls, adjust the size, position, and styling so it sits where you want on the surface. As you play the timeline, the text will follow the tracked object, maintaining the movement you captured. Nudge the placement if needed for a clean composite, and preview a few times to confirm the attach feels natural. That's it. Your text is now pinned to a moving surface using Fusion's Planar tracker, giving you a polished, professional motion graphic that sticks exactly where it should.